We're going to find the area of a square on a side on a right angle triangle. And we're going to use Pythagoras' theorem to help us. So Pythagoras' theorem tells us that the sum of the squares on the two legs is equal to the square on the hypotenuse. Here's our first triangle, and we want to find the area of this square here. So which side is that? Well, there's the right angle. Opposite the right angle, that's our hypotenuse. We're trying to find the square on the hypotenuse. So to do that, we just need the size of the squares on the other two sides and add them together. So first of all, this one, side length is 4. 4 by 4 makes 16. This length is 5. 5 squared is 25. So to find the square on the hypotenuse, we simply do 16 add 25. And that gives us 41. Let's do another example. So we're trying to find this square. Which side is this? There's the right angle. Opposite the right angle, it's the hypotenuse. So we need to add together the squares on these two sides. So square on this side, that's 4. Square on this side, that's 7 long. 7 squared is 49. So the area of this square is 49. Add 4 gives us 53. So far so good. Let's have a look at a couple more. So let's have a look at this one. We're trying to find this square here. Now this leg is next to the right angle, it's not a hypotenuse, and we can't just work it out easily because it's hard to see the length of the side. So we're told this has an area of 31. So what's the area of this square here? That's 6 squared is 36. So we know the squares on the two legs, their sum makes the square on the hypotenuse. So to find the area of this square here, we need to find the difference between those two. We're going to use our equation here. We're going to say that the square on the hypotenuse, the difference between that and the square on the leg we know, that will give us the square on the other leg. So we're going to do the difference, 36 take 31. Our answer is 5. Let's try one more. How about this example here? So we're trying to find the area of this square here. Which side is the hypotenuse? There's the right angle, this side. So we need to do the area of the square on the hypotenuse, take away the square on the leg we know. So this length is 8. 8 squared is, so if we find the difference, that gives us the unknown. Final answer.